Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to set up a face recognition on this laptop. First, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select Accounts, scroll down, select Sign In Options, then select Facial Recognition, then select Setup. Let's get started. Enter your PIN if you have one. Okay, so right now, before we add a face model, we have to remove the shutter and then look straight into the camera. So let me do that real quick. Make sure that the lighting in your room is proper. Okay, and once it's done, you can close the shutter if you want, and then click close, and at this point the facial recognition is added. Let's check it out. So let's put our laptop on a lock screen, select sign in options, facial recognition, and I guess the light is kind of bad in this room. It doesn't recognize me. Oh, I forgot to open the shutter. I'm sorry. Okay, and it's done. And the facial recognition works properly. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.